all you YouTubers. Camille and Tony coming in with our baby back rib recipe that we're going to be doing on our Camp Chef Grill. There's Tony out there. He's going to be our griller today, and I'm the seasoner. Basically what I do is I do a dry rub, but I always start with a mustard mixture and I put that on my ribs. I baste the ribs and then I add my dry seasonings. What you could actually do is get any one of these dry rubs that I have here. I mean, anything that you can find out there. And I mix it with brown sugar. Here we are, ready to put it on our grill. Chef Tony there.
Okay, good morning, YouTubers. Today we're going to be cooking smoked ribs on the barbecue grill. We expect this to take about 6 hours. We're using the 3-2-1 method. This is our Camp Chef with a side burner, and we're going to put these 2 slabs on the grill and start cooking. I'm going to use my fingers. Forgive the messiness. Camille seasoned these ribs up with lots of TLC. Like I said, this is a Camp Chef woodwind grill. It has a hopper here where you can feed your pellets. I like to keep it stacked because during the cooking process you'll probably use 3/4 of the amount of pellets that's in the hopper. Down here is a little computerized controller that allows you to set your desired temperature. We have it set on high smoke right now, which is about 220 degrees. I like to cook on that setting.
So our ribs have been in for an hour and a half. Whatever you do, try not to open that grill and let out the smoke. As much as you want to go in and look at it, leave it. You need that smoke to give it the flavor. Time to start the barbecue sauce. This is my special barbecue sauce. And I'm a kitchen sink kind of person. I try to use everything inside my refrigerator. Your basic, you start with barbecue sauce. Any barbecue sauce can do, but this is actually our favorite. We've been using this for years. Sweet Baby Ray's. Ketchup, any ketchup. Mustard. Yes, grape jelly. And my final secret ingredient, a little pepper jelly, maybe a teaspoon or 2. This is actually homemade from the peppers in my garden. So I would put this on for a boil. Maybe once it starts to bubble, I would turn it down on low, maybe for 20 minutes. And that's what we're going to be basting our ribs when they come out.
So this is the second step. It's already been cooking for 3 hours.
Special barbecue sauce.
She's going to add barbecue sauce to the ribs that have been cooking for the last 3 hours. This sauce is Sweet Baby Ray's that's been doctored with our own special ingredients. For those of you out there who are planning to do this, you can use any barbecue sauce of your choice. We like to doctor our sauce a little bit. So she's going to wrap these ribs and put them back on the smoker for another 2 hours. We'll come back to you at the end of the 2 hours and give you an update on what's been going on. Camille has individually wrapped each rack of ribs, and we're about to put them back into the smoker for 2 hours. which time we'll remove the foil and we'll put them back in the grill for 1 more hour uncovered.
Time for rum and coconut water.
Okay, time for a drink. This is the 3rd stage of the 3-2-1 process. In this segment, Camille is going to remove the foil from the 2 slabs of ribs, and we're going to place the slabs back on the smoker for 1 additional hour. That will be a total of 6 hours.
Take a look, baby.
Moving in for a closer look
Ooh.
as we uncover these ribs. They've already been cooking for 5 hours, and we're going to cook it for 1 additional hour.
Oh, it looks like it's like falling off the bone already. Very juicy. Wow.
My beautiful and talented wife is my assistant today for this incredible video on how to smoke ribs on a pellet grill. Our smoked ribs have been cooking in the pellet grill for 6 hours. It's time to take them off and give it the taste.
Here's the taste
Okay,
test now.
Now for the taste test. I'm gonna take a piece out of the middle here. Let's take a look.
Ooh.
So, here's the test.
Mmm.
Delicious.
Oh, did we do good?
Yes.
Oh man.
Amazing.
Cheers to you.
Cheers.